Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, how are you all? Hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I would like to take your class from English second paper. And English second paper, in your one of the questions will be arranged on phrase idioms. Today, we would like to discuss on phrase idioms. Now, dear students, uh, the first question arises in a way that what is phrase and idioms? Do you know what is phrase idioms? So I think you know a lot of different definitions, but phrase idioms we can say in a way that a phrase is a group of words or words. Phrase is a group of words. Dear students, I think you have got your pen and paper in front of you, and try to just write it down for your better understanding and for future help on knowing the things very clearly. Phrase is just I repeat, phrase is a group of words or words which have neither subject nor object but has a beautiful meaning. This is called phrase. So, for example, all on a sudden, you see, all on a sudden, the হঠাৎ আমরা জানি যে এটার কোনো সাবজেক্ট অবজেক্ট নেই, কিন্তু একটা সুন্দর অর্থ করেছে। Dear students, phrasidiums is like an ornamentation for language. ভাষাকে সুন্দর ও মাধুর্যমণ্ডিত করার জন্য phrasidiums অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভূমিকা পালন করে। After the completion this unit of your text, you would be able to know noun and verb phrase, adjective and adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, gerund, participle, and infinitive phrase, common phrasal expression. Dear students, it's a huge lesson, huge chapter. So in a class, possibly it will be difficult on my part to finish it, but I must try to give you a very good summary of these things, and you must be very serious and try to ask me if you have any problem. Now let us see at first the noun phrase. A noun phrase indicates a noun, especially a person, place, or thing, and the modifiers which distinguish it. For example, you can find the noun dog, thing, dog in a sentence, but you don't know which dog the writer means until you consider the entire noun phrase. For example, that dog. You see, that dog. The dog on the sofa is very nice, or the dog digging in the new flower. In this way, when you just use it in a sentence, you can just tell it as a noun phrase. In this way, you can distinguish noun phrase. Then sometimes noun phrase is used with articles. A dog, understand? A dog, the dog with article. This is also used noun phrase. Then positive nouns. Positive nouns, you may use Karim's dog, the neighbor's dog, the police officer's dog. In this way, positive nouns also you can use phrase idioms. Positive pronouns, our dog. You see, positive pronouns, our. যখন কোন ব্যক্তির মালিকানা বোঝায় তখন সেটা পজিটিভ হয়, তোমরা জানো। her dog, their dog. With adjectives, adjective সাথে আবার phrase idioms হয় that dog. I saw that dog yesterday. In this way, the big dog, he had a big dog. Then the spotted dog birds seriously. In this way, you may use with participles. You know, dear students, participles যখন সঙ্গে ভার্বের সঙ্গে আইএনজি যোগ হয় তখন সেটা নাউন ফ্রেজ হয়ে যায়। লাইক দ্য ড্রুলিং ডগ, ইউ নো, দ্য ড্রুলিং ডগ, the barking dog, the well-trained dog. In this way, with prepositional phrase, dear students, a dog on the loose, a dog on the loose, the dog in the front seat, the dog behind the fence. In this way, you may use phrase with preposition with adjective clause. In adjective clause, you can also use noun phrase. The dog that chases cats, the dog that looks lost, the dog that wins the championship. In this way, dear students, with participle phrases. Participle phrases সঙ্গে দেখো, the dog winning for a treat, the dog clipped at the grooming salon, the dog walked daily. With infinitive, infinitive তোমরা জানো ভার্বের আগে টু বসালেও সেটা ইনফিনিটিভ হয়ে যায়। The dog to catch, the dog to train, the dog to adopt. In this way, we have seen the noun phrase, and if you see some examples of noun phrase, then let us see the some exercise. If you see, swimming in the river is dangerous. You see, swimming in the river is dangerous. Noun phrase here, swimming in the river. Dear students, just try to follow me. Swimming in the river is dangerous. Here, swimming in the river. This is noun phrase. I paid the taxi fare. Here, the taxi fare. Noun phrase. Dear students, here the taxi fare. We should take care of our health. Here, our health. You see, here our health. My grandfather is a man of letters. You see, dear students, a man of letters. Then the guests are sitting in the drawing room. The drawing room. You see, in this way, dear students, let us see the noun phrase, then verb phrase. Then verb phrase. Every sentence must have a verb. You know, dear students, every sentence must have a verb. To depict to depict doable activities, writers use action verbs. To describe conditions, writers use linking verbs. Example, offering the license and registration, Selina sobbed in the driver's seat. Officer's hog was unmoved. A main or base verb indicates the type of action and condition, and auxiliary or helping verbs convey the other notions that writers want to express. Dear students, examples, the tries, let's see another example. Selena is always disturbing the speed limits. Another example also, for her birthday, Selena would also like a reader director, would like verb also adverb. You see, here for some Masur example, you say, you should go there. For verb phrases, you should go there. Here, should go. This is verb phrase, you know. Ruma has done it. Has done. This is verb phrase, dear students. Didi will go to college next year. Here, will go. You see, Akash is writing a letter. Is writing. This is also verb phrase. It has been raining. Has been raining. This is also verb phrase. Dear students, this noun phrase and verb phrase, you should of course practice with your friends and try to go through text again and again. If you have any problem, ask me and send me messages. I must make the meaning clear again if you have any problem. There, let us see the adjective phrase. Dear students, adjective phrase. What is an adjective? An adjective phrase. What is an adjective phrase? You see, an adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হচ্ছে এমন কিছু শব্দ সমষ্টি যা অ্যাডজেক্টিভের কাজ করে। দিস ইজ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ফ্রেজ। যা যে ভার্ব, যে ফ্রেজ ভার্বের কাজ করে সেটা ভার্ব ফ্রেজ, যে ফ্রেজটা নাউনের কাজ করে সেটা নাউন ফ্রেজ। ফর এক্সাম্পল, দ্য মেয়র ওয়াজ এ ওয়েলদি ম্যান। কেমন? মেয়রটা কেমন? ওয়েলদি ম্যান, সম্পদশালী। দিস ইজ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ফ্রেজ। দ্য মেয়র ওয়াজ এ ম্যান অফ গ্রেট ওয়েলথ। ম্যান অফ গ্রেট ওয়েলথ। So more example, they lived in a stone house. A stone house, you see, a stone house. They lived in a house built of stone. Understood? I think you have understood. The workers belong to a hill tribe. The workers belong to a tribe dwelling in the hill. A golden necklace, a necklace made of gold. You see, this is adjective. A white coat, a coat of white color. You see, a jungle track, a track to the jungle. A deserted city, a city with no inhabitants. This is, you see, a deserted city. Adjective phrase, dear students. Now, in Bangladeshi flag, the flag of Bangladesh, the Bangladeshi flag, this is adjective phrase, you see. A wooden hut, a hut built of wood, you see, very nice. A blank page, a page with no writings. Dear students, I think adjective you have just better understood the things. Adjective is the phrase that works as an adjective in a sentence. Now, dear students, adverbial phrase. An adverb phrase is a group of words. What is an adverb phrase? You have to know the definition clearly. An adverb phrase is a group of words that serves the same purpose as an adverb. Like an adverb phrase can also modify an adjective or another adverb. Example, he spoke politely. Here, the adverb politely says something about the manner in which he spoke. Dear students, he spoke politely. Here, the adverb politely says something about the manner in which he spoke. He spoke in a polite manner. You see, here the adverb phrase in a polite manner also says how he spoke. He spoke in a polite manner. How he spoke? He spoke in a polite manner. I think you have understood. Thus, we have seen that an adverb phrase modifies a verb just like an adverb does. For example, it is available now. It is available now. It is available at the moment. In the pair of a sentence given above, the adverb phrase at the moment modifies the verb just like the adverb now does. Bravely, in a brave manner. You see, adverb phrase bravely, in a brave manner. Beautifully, in a beautiful manner. In a beautiful manner. Then firmly, farmerly. A farmer times once upon a time. Recently, just now or at recent date. Just now or at recent date. Soon, before very long. Soon, before very long. Here, on this page. On this spot, sorry. Here, on this spot. Everywhere, in all spaces. Everywhere, in all spaces. Now, at the moment. These are adverb phrases. Dear students, I suggest you actually to practice it with your friends. Actually, without practicing much, once again, time and again, it will be very difficult to get it in your mind fresh always. So, if you practice in your groups daily and just in your sentences, in your speaking, in your writing, and in a group, try to just repeat it once again, and that will of course help you to understand the phrase. And actually these things comes when you practice, when you in your speaking, in your writing. If you do it repeatedly, it will be clear. Otherwise, only understanding, only reading or going through the text, or only listening the lecture from my class, it will be difficult. But practice, your practice uh, depends on your serious attraction on English. Actually, I think you will be serious uh, from this chapter, especially knowing these phrase idioms. Now let us see the another part of the. Let us see some exercises of adverbial uh, of adverb phrases. Uh, Shishir comes to our house now and then. Let us see now and then. Shishir comes to our house now and then. Dear students, please try to write it down on your khatas. Every morning, my father reads the daily newspaper. Every morning. Here, every morning. The car is made in Japan. You see, in Japan. In Japan. Then, once upon a time, there was a king named Midas. Once upon a time. In this way, dear students, these are phrase already you have known for your adverbial phrase. And let us see our next part of our class today. This is prepositional phrase. What is prepositional phrase, dear students? Prepositional phrase, uh, at the minimum, you see prepositional phrase at the minimum. A prepositional phrase will begin with a preposition and end with a noun. তাহলে আমরা কি পাই? A prepositional phrase will begin with a preposition. একটা প্রিপজিশন দিয়ে শুরু হবে and with a noun. অলরেডি আমি তোমাদেরকে প্রিপজিশন নিয়ে ক্লাস করেছি, তোমরা প্রিপজিশন চিনো, at, in, on, into, above. These are prepositions you see. প্রিপজিশনাল ফ্রেজ শুরু হবে একটা প্রিপজিশন দিয়ে এবং তার শেষে নাউন থাকবে, pronoun থাকবে, gerund or clause, the object of the preposition. A prepositional phrase will begin with the preposition and end with a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause that objects to the preposition. The objects of the preposition will often have one more modifiers to describe it. These are the patterns of the prepositional phrase. Now, the patterns, please write down, dear students. Preposition plus noun, preposition plus noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. মানে what we get, আমরা কি পাই? Preposition থাকবে, তারপরে হয় noun, either noun or pronoun, gerund or clause থাকতে পারে, or preposition plus modifiers plus noun, pronoun, gerund or clause, modifiers থাকতে পারে, যেমন at home. At home, preposition home, noun. In time, in time, in preposition time, noun. In preposition time, noun. With me, with preposition me, pronoun. By singing, by হচ্ছে preposition singing, gerund. About what we need, about preposition what we need, noun, clause. Dear students, in this way we may just form prepositional phrase. Most prepositional phrase are longer like this: from my grandmother, from preposition my grandma, my modifiers, grandmother, noun. Under the warm blankets, under হচ্ছে preposition the warm, modifiers, blankets হচ্ছে noun. In the weedy overgrown garden, in preposition the weedy, overgrown, modifiers, garden, noun. In this way, let us see the very interesting prepositional phrase. We may see some examples here. We may try to see some example here of prepositional phrase you see. Rina forgot in which drawer she put the key. Rina forgot in which drawer she put the key. You see, in which drawer she put the key. These are only the total cloth is the prepositional phrase, dear students. I just read again. Rina forgot in which drawer she put the key. Rina ভুলে গিয়েছিল কোন ড্রয়ারে সে চাবিটা রেখেছিল। In which drawer she put the key. Again, the poor live from hand to mouth. Uh, from hand to mouth. You see, from hand to mouth. This is prepositional phrase. Interesting. Then Jamal is not fond of eating vegetables. Of eating vegetables. Then go to the doctor without any delay. Without any delay. This is prepositional phrase. You know. Then put the book on the table. On the table. So these are prepositional phrases for good examples. Dear students, today we have to finish our class here because long class will not just help us because you have to practice it partially. It's a long lesson. So in a class, it is difficult to finish. So I think in the next class, we must clear the other things of phrase. Before finishing my class, I suggest you that, of course, keep yourself safe, stay safe, and stay home always because we are seriously suffering from corona pandemic. So don't try to go outside home without any serious necessary. And if you go outside, of course, wear mask and try to keep yourself always safe. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.